Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pork achar using an easy method. First, you'll want to prepare your pork. Cut about 1.5 pounds of pork belly into 1-inch cubes. Next, gather your essential spices and liquids. You'll need 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 cup of mustard oil, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's cook the pork. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a large pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Carefully add your pork belly cubes to the hot oil. Cook them for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. This step is crucial for developing the rich flavor of the achar. Once cooked, drain any excess oil, leaving just a little in the pan to keep the pork moist and flavorful. The heart of any achar is its spice blend. In a dry pan, lightly roast 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind these roasted seeds into a coarse powder. Now, combine this freshly ground spice mix with your ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder. This aromatic blend will infuse your pork with incredible depth and authentic Nepali flavor. Get ready for a taste sensation. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the cooked pork to the bowl with your prepared spice mixture. Pour in the 1/4 cup of vinegar and mix thoroughly, ensuring every piece of pork is beautifully coated with the aromatic achar spices. Let it cool completely before storing. This pork achar is best enjoyed after a day or two, allowing the flavors to meld. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade achar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.